Today's video is going to be super special for all the teenagers out there. Here you can see the payment proofs. I literally earned $10 multiple times just by playing a simple game. By the way, this is not only for students or teenagers. If you are an employee, a housewife, or whatever your profession is, if you are interested in earning some extra bucks for your personal needs just by playing a simple game on your mobile phone, then this video is totally meant for you. I would proudly like to quote that it does not require any investment. All you need is a mobile phone and an internet connection, and you are good to go. Watch this video till the end. I have a promo code for my subscribers that will help you gain $100 in game, which you can use to withdraw as well. Sounds amazing, right? Watch till the end to get the promo code. These are all some of the best comments from the previous video. If you want your comment to get featured in my video, you just need to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. In the next video, I will be featuring your comment. Without any further delay, let's get started. Open up Play Store and search for an application called Brainmaster Training. You just need to download this application. While this application is downloading, you can hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now just click on Open to open this application. This is the initial dashboard of this application. Here you will be asked to enter the promo code. By doing so, you will get $100 of in-game cash. I will show you the promo code in a few minutes. Till then, stick to this video. Boom! Guys, I have been credited with $100. Now I will show you how you can earn from this application. There are 4 play styles, and all the 4 are the same. Only the pattern gets changed, but the earnings in all the 4 are the same, so you can select any one pattern from these 4. I have selected the first one. Let me show you how this game is played. You just need to click on the start button, and it will show some colored boxes, which you need to memorize and enter after 3 seconds. As you can see, I have entered them correctly. Like this, you need to play this game. You will be given 3 seconds to memorize the black colored boxes, and then you will be asked to select the colored boxes that were shown. If you are right, you will be rewarded with a key. As soon as you complete a level, you will be rewarded with a key. Let me just complete some levels and earn some keys. I have completed 6 levels and earned 6 keys. After earning 6 keys, you will be allowed to open the chest. You just need to click on Open to open the chest, but before that you need to watch an ad to open the chest. Once you complete watching an ad, you will be rewarded with either in-game dollars or in-game hints. Here I easily earned in-game $4.1. You just need to complete 6 levels every time, and after that, you need to open the chest. Now I didn't get dollars, but here I got a hint, which can be used to solve the puzzle. It totally depends on luck. Let me show you the payout system for this application. On the home screen, you will find an option called Balance. Just touch it. Here you will find an option for PayPal and Paytm. To withdraw $10 from PayPal, you must have $500 in-game money. Which, according to me, is quite easy. I have played for around 3 hours, and I was able to withdraw $10 easily. Here you can see the PayPal proof. Here's the promo code. You can use this to instantly get in-game $100 without any hustle. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Do like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing contents like this. If you want to earn more, do watch this video. Until then, earn and rejoice.